Hello and welcome to this Excel VBA tutorial. In this tutorial today I'm going to tell you about the if-else statement in Excel using the VBA code. So I will be telling you, so like in the screen, like you are going to write 50, and if I click on this comment button and it is showing the value as pass, and if I write suppose 20 and the value is changing to fail. So this is the if-else condition. If-else is used when you are declaring any condition in it. So now I will be telling you from the beginning how I have done that if-else condition in this comment button. Now I'm going to the next sheet. So this is a new sheet, and here I will be creating that. So for that, in order to do that, first you have to take one comment button from this insert menu. So after that, place it anywhere on your screen like here. Then you go to the view code, right click on it and see the view code, and this is the option and where you have to write this macro code. And in order to do that, for any other programming languages, now you have to declare the variables, and I'm going to declare the variable. In order to declare the variable, so you have to write dim, and suppose I'm declaring one variable as integer, that is the score, and I'm going to declare one another variable, that is the result, and this is suppose as string, and my declaration is done. Now I'm going to place the value for score. So in order to do that, so score, then I have to write range, and my cell 1, suppose I'm taking the value of cell 1 dot value. So now in this way I have declared the value for score. Now I'm going to write the statement, the if else statement. So in order to do that, so we have to write like if suppose score is greater than suppose or greater than equal to 40, then you are going to write the result. Result is my another variable, result equal to pass, and else you are going to write as equal to fail. And now you have to end this end if condition like this end if. So it's just like any other programming languages. Then you have to place the value of pass and fail into another placeholder. Like we have to write like range. Suppose I'm taking a B, cell B1 for this value, then dot value equal to result. So I'm putting that value of result into cell B. So this is done about this programming if else. Now once you have written that, just you cross it, just click cross, and now you have to come out of this design mode. Now you have to, in the cell 1, suppose if you write as 90, then you click on this comment button. You can see the value is changed to pass, and now if I click suppose 30, so and then click on the comment button, you can see the value is changing to fail. So this is how actually you can write the if else statement. So in order to see the code again, so you have to go to design mode and right click and view code. So that is actually the if else statement that you can write in VBA. So that's all about the tutorial, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it, and then also you can see my other tutorial. I have given the links in the below description. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.